Here is how to take a screenshot on Windows. The easiest way to take a screenshot is by using the Windows Snipping Tool. First, search for Snipping Tool. If you want, you can pin it to the taskbar or start menu. Once you open it, a small toolbar will appear at the top with 4 capture options: rectangular, freeform, window, or full screen. The most useful are the rectangular snip and Windows snip. With rectangular, you simply drag to select the area you want to screenshot. With window, just click on the window you want to capture. After taking the screenshot, the Snipping Tool editor will open, where you can draw, highlight, crop, and more. All screenshots should be automatically saved to the screenshot folder. To save manually where you want, click the save icon on the right side, then select your save location. If you want to change the default location, click the 3 dots, then settings, and in here you can change the default save location. And now that your screenshot is saved, I will show you one last tip how to do it very fast. Use the shortcut Windows Shift S to make the screenshot and then simply Ctrl V to paste, for example to Gmail. And that's how you do it. If this helped, you can support the channel and buy me a coffee. Here's the next video for you.